Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Are you ready to take your preventative maintenance program to the next level? In today's video, we'll be diving into how to create a top-notch preventative maintenance program, including the factors you need to consider before you jump in, what a comprehensive program might entail, and 7 crucial tips to make your program the best it can be. If you've ever wondered about how to maintain everything from your production line equipment to your water systems, stay tuned. Let's talk about how you can create a top-notch preventative maintenance program. It's best to start this as soon as possible, but there are a few things you need to consider before you dive in. Firstly, do you have enough staff to handle regular maintenance checks? Secondly, can you provide the necessary training to transition to preventative maintenance processes and software? Lastly, do you have the administrative processes in place to plan and schedule these tasks? Now, let's look at what a comprehensive preventative maintenance program might include. It's not just about maintaining your production line equipment, there's a whole lot more to consider. For instance, your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems need to be regularly inspected, cleaned, and updated. But did you ever think about your water systems? Are they appropriately filtered? Are you running warm water systems that could be a breeding ground for bacteria like Legionnaire's disease? And let's not forget about your electrical systems, doors, stairways, lighting, and flooring. They all need regular inspection and maintenance. If you're not sure what should be included in your plan, the American National Standards Institute is a great place to start. They provide a wealth of information on preventative maintenance. Now, let's say you've answered no to any of the initial questions we asked. In that case, you might need to address those issues before starting a full-blown preventative maintenance program. But if you answered yes to all of them, you're ready to get started. And remember, it might be simpler than you think. You're probably already performing some preventative maintenance tasks, like lubrication or cleaning. Creating a program is just about organizing these tasks into a plan. But remember, not every asset you own needs to be on your program. Sometimes the cost of preventative maintenance can exceed the cost of reactive maintenance, and a little downtime for repairs is acceptable. But assets that directly impact your facility's utility or a manufacturer's output definitely need a preventative maintenance program. This can help prevent unscheduled downtime and save money. Now, let's dive into 7 tips to make your preventative maintenance program the best it can be. Tip 1. Focus your preventative maintenance tasks on specific failure modes. This can help prevent breakdowns that could have a high impact on your operations. Tip 2. Apply skills where they're needed. Make sure you have the right people for each job. Tip 3. Create efficient routes. Your inspection routes should follow a logical path to save time. Tip 4. Inspect frequently. You want to catch problems before they develop into major breakdowns. Tip 5. Use manufacturer materials to establish frequencies. They often provide failure development times, which can help you establish inspection frequencies. Tip 6. Stay on schedule. Make sure you complete your preventative maintenance tasks on time. And finally, Tip 7. Involve your operators. They can help with preventative maintenance, freeing up time for your maintenance technicians. But even with these tips, there are common mistakes to avoid. These include unclear instructions, completing tasks too early or too late, over-maintaining equipment, lack of prioritization, pencil whipping, inadequate MRO inventory, failing to track preventative maintenance, and not seeing the results in action. Now let's talk about maintenance scheduling. This is where you determine who will perform the work, as well as coordinating materials, equipment, and an overall time frame for the work. This can be done by dedicated maintenance schedulers, maintenance supervisors, or maintenance planners. The process typically involves creating a preventative maintenance schedule, scheduling work orders, and assigning, completing, and logging the work. But be aware, this process can come with challenges like lack of communication with operations crews, inefficient MRO inventory management, challenges with suppliers, lack of proper in-house training for specialized tasks, and misunderstandings with contractors. To improve your maintenance scheduling practices, consider using a computerized maintenance management system to log data from work orders and assets. Don't account for potential emergency work, and perform root cause analysis on your workflows to find inefficiencies. Remember, the ultimate goal is to make sure your equipment is properly maintained. So keep that in mind when scheduling maintenance work. If over 20% of work orders are completed late, it might be time to revisit your scheduling practices. So there you have it. Everything you need to know to create a top-notch preventative maintenance program. It might seem like a lot, but with the right planning and execution, you can keep your facility running smoothly and efficiently. And with that, we've come to the end of our video. Thank you for joining us today. We've discussed how to create a top-notch preventative maintenance program, the factors to consider before starting, and 7 crucial tips to make your program the best it can be. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For further information, visit our website at upkeep.com.